Hey everyone, so this is the Resiners air purifier. I've had it for about 3 months. I've been using it for 3 months, seeing exactly how it works. I have it on all the time when I'm using resin in the room. It does detect VOCs. You turn it on simply by pushing this button right here. And the readouts, the very top large readout is your VOC readout. It gives you the temperature of the room, the humidity in the room. You can do it in Celsius or Fahrenheit. You have an auto button that you put on when you want it to automatically adjust the fan speed according to the detection of VOCs. And even though I use resins without VOCs, as I'm mixing it and the curing process starts, this VOC level does go up. Not significantly, but enough it is detecting it. And this fan speed will actually adjust according to, the only thing that I don't know that it's completely accurate is the humidity level, because well, right now it's saying 75%, but I'm in Florida and I've had this window open. It usually reads about 65%. And my thermostats always read about 50%, so this may be a little bit high. So I'm going to show you how, I think I have that on auto. Yeah, so when you have it on, when you first turn it on, you can see the fan, the little 3 little fan things there, and it has just one light lit up, and that's at low fan speed. The fan will actually increase, which increases the suction into the air purifier to purify the air faster, to take all the VOCs out of the air. So I'm just going to show you something. I use isopropyl alcohol a lot. Well, I use it to clean things, and if you read up about isopropyl alcohol, it does have VOCs, and I do use it to spray inside of molds to get rid of the bubbles. Don't use it as much on canvases or glass art, but I'm just going to show you how this detects. I just sprayed just a small amount of the isopropyl alcohol, and what will happen is this will start detecting it, and just give it a second. Here it goes, turns red, and you can see the numbers starting to go up. The fan speed has increased to increase the suction of the air, or to purify the air. And you can see how it was originally just 1 and now it's up to 3, and you can hear the noise from it too. And it's reading 9.9. That's as high as it'll go. If it goes that high, it means it's detecting a lot of VOCs. You need to open your window. And I usually try to work with the window open while I'm in the room, and then when I'm done with my resin project, I usually leave this on and I shut the window and leave the room. Okay, so I'm back. It's a half hour later. The fan level has gone down because it has helped to eliminate the VOCs, and you can see that the level has gone way down. It was way up to 9 before. So I have had this, like I said, for about 3 months, maybe even 4 months now, and I use it constantly. Whenever I'm in here doing resin, I'm always using it. It's always on. It does also have a timer, so that if you leave the room, you could set it for, a couple hours, I think up to 9 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. I do glass and resin art. I have over 300 videos on different glass and resin art, and I teach you how to do it. I try to give full tutorials on each project that I do. So I hope you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And Facebook page, we have a great Facebook page. A lot of amazing art displayed. Come join us over there, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching.